Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share few Instagram tricks or few Instagram hacks for you all. If in case you are using Instagram, then this video is going to be really helpful for you. So please do watch this video till the end. So guys, trick number one is to hide the post from your feed. So at times we feel that one or two posts which is there on a feed is unnecessary, or sometimes when we have good number of followers following our profile recently, then we may feel like couple of feeds has to be hidden from them. So in that case, you can simply select the post which you want to hide and archive them. In that way, the post will be deleted from the feed, but it will be present in archive, so that you can restore the particular post anytime from archive. You can just simply click on to that post and select show on profile, and the particular post will be visible on your feed. You can hide and restore your post anytime on Instagram. This is one of the best trick. So the next trick is vanish mode. So this particular vanish mode actually helps to end the conversation automatically by deleting the chats once you come out of the chat window. So you just have to swipe up from the bottom of the chat window to enable the vanish mode, and same thing you have to swipe again if you want to disable the vanish mode. So either of the parties who chat can do this, and once you enable the vanish mode, automatically your chat will get deleted once you come out of the chat window. So this is something which will definitely help people who don't want to save the chats or save the conversation. And this is like trending trending benefit of Instagram. So do try this out. The next thing is that you can add multiple images on one particular story. Previously, this option was not available on Instagram. Like, people have had to copy paste the multiple images on one story, but now they have updated this particular option on Instagram. Previously it was not there, but now they updated on iOS, and recently they have updated on Android as well. You just have to create one story, and then click onto the search, and there's an option to add images. You just have to click onto that option and add multiple images. This has actually made people's life easy, like especially me. I find it really helpful and easy for my business account. If you guys want your profile to reach many people, if you want your reels to reach out many people, if you want your stories to reach out many people, and if your account is not private, then this trick will definitely help you out. All you have to do is just click onto the GIF option and search for collage letters. Like, you can type collage L, collage N, collage wo, and create attractive post on your stories, and this will help you reach many people, and it will be very catchy. Also guys, if you don't have your account on Instagram, then please go and create your account right now, because I have seen this platform getting stronger day by day, especially during the pandemic time. I have seen many people helping out each other. Like, I've seen many celebrities, bloggers, influencers coming out of their comfort zone, or whatever it is. They just helped many people who reached them out, because they have lot number of audience. They have actually helped people to get oxygen cylinders, ventilators, beds, money, food. So many things happens in Instagram, guys, trust me. And it's a very huge platform where you can easily reach out to people and get help, especially during this kind of pandemic time, where definitely want something for yourself or for your family and you don't have any idea where to go and ask for help, so this is the platform for you. And if in case you don't have account, please go create right now. And it's really beautiful and amazing thing to see people joining hands during this pandemic, helping out each other. So I really love this about Instagram, so go download now. The next trick is for those who want to view the stories of one particular person but don't want them to know that you have seen their story. So in that case, what you can do, you can click onto the stories of the previous profile and simply rotate something like this. Just move and rotate using your finger. In that case, their story will be visible to you, but at the same time they won't get notified that you have seen their story. I'm sure the next trick is going to be really helpful for many people, because we have so many profiles or so many people in our list whom we want to restrict in our life, like without blocking them, without hiding stuffs from them. You can simply restrict the account by clicking on to the restrict option. In that way, you will not get their messages unnecessarily. It will be sent to the message request folder, where you can go and check out their messages. Even if they comment or even if they like, you will not get notified. You can avoid unnecessary responses from the people whom you don't like. Also, the best part is that they will not get notified that you have restricted their account, or if you have seen their messages. You can simply avoid them in your life without blocking them, and it is one of the best trick, I will say. So guys, if you want to restrict someone without blocking, then do try this option. It is definitely helpful. The next trick is for those who use mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. So unnecessarily videos, photos will get downloaded once you open your Instagram app. Even the photos which you don't want to see or the videos which you don't want to see will get downloaded unnecessarily, and there are chances that you will lose your data. So in that case, you can simply use this option to save your data, and the videos or photos will not get downloaded, and you can save your data as well. The next trick is simply like clearing your browsing history or hiding your browsing history. Even on Instagram, you can do that. You can control your activity, the links which you have visited recently, that can be hidden. If in case you feel that someone will check out the links from your Instagram account, then you can simply hide the links which you have recently visited, and that's it, you're done. So these were the tricks which I wanted to share with you all, because I have been using these tricks and I really found it helpful. So I thought even you guys should know. That is the reason why I have come out of my personal comfort zone and I have recorded this video for you all, because I know like many of them are using Instagram these days because you're at home. So I thought it will be helpful for you all. So if in case you like this video, please do give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends. And stay connected, guys. I'll be coming up with another video soon, so see you. Until then, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.